Welcome to Infinite Learnopedia channel. This video is about how to generate mark sheet or list of marks of students in Google Forms. Let's get started. First of all, open Google Drive. After signing into your Gmail account, open Google Drive. Here is my online test. Open your online test, that is question paper you created in Google Forms. So in questions you will see all your questions. In responses you will see all the responses submitted by the students. So here I have this number of responses, as this test of mine is self-grading test in Google Forms. So all the questions are checked automatically. Now, to generate mark sheet or list of marks of students, there are two ways you can generate two files. So you can generate two different files in Google Forms. Let's see the first one. Here in responses, towards the right side you can see sheets green colored icon. Click on this icon. When you click on this icon, Excel sheet is created. So this sheet is created into your drive. After clicking on green colored icon, one sheet is created. So this sheet is automatically created in your Google Drive and it is saved in your Google Drive. So you can access it only online. So this is the first sheet. In this sheet, first cell is timestamp, which contains date and the time of submission by the student. Then is column of score, then email address, followed by roll number, name and all the questions of the test. Here the second column is the score, that is marks of the students. This is the first way you can create file of mark sheet in Google Forms. Now let's see the second way to create mark sheet or list of marks of students in Google Forms. So here is my Google form, that is my question paper, online question paper test. So next to this green icon, here is the more option. Click on this more option and down you will find, so here you will find download responses with .csv extension. Click on this option. After clicking on this option, towards the left side you will see one file is created and it is downloaded automatically into your computer device, into your machine. That means you can access it offline. Next step, click on the arrow button and click on the option show in folder. So here is online exam, internal exam file, which is of .csv extension. Double click on this. Close this window. Here is Excel sheet. Double click on this and you can view your file. Click on close. So this is a file which is created into your computer device. Same way, this file had different columns. First is timestamp, which contains the date and time of submission of the exam by student. Then is the score, that is total marks. Then followed by name, email ID and all the other things, roll number and questions. So the B column contains the total score of the students. So after viewing this file, you can copy and paste this file to the location you want to save it. So this is the second way using which you can generate a list of marks of online exam. So this was all about how to generate marks in Google Forms. If you learn from this video, hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel, which is Infinite Learnopedia. Thanks for watching.